Hello friends, welcome to WinMean e-learning. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம 10th social scienceல lesson 18 ஓட part 3 வீடியோ வந்து பார்க்கலாம். Question number 49. How many major goods and service tax GST rates are there in India? The correct answer is option D, 4. இந்தியாவில் 4 major GST rates இருக்கு. அதாவது 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Almost all the necessities of life, அதாவது vegetables, food grains, இதெல்லாமே வந்து இந்த taxலேருந்து exemption பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Question number 50. Which tax implies that the higher the rate of tax, lower the income groups than in the case of higher income groups? The correct answer is option D, regressive tax rate. Regressive taxங்கிறது it implies that higher the rate of tax now, lower the income groups than in the case of higher income groups. So இது வந்து very opposite to progressive taxation method ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Question number 51. The unaccounted money that is concealed from the tax administrator is called. The correct answer is option B, black money. Black money வந்து it is the fund which is earned on the black market on which income and other taxes have not been paid. So இந்த unaccounted money தான் வந்து it is concealed from the tax administrator ன்னு சொல்லலாம், and it is called as black money. Question number 52. Which of the following is not causes of black money? The correct answer is option C, shortage of labor. பிளாக் மணிக்கு செவரல் சோர்சஸ் வந்து ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதில் சிலது வந்து ஷார்ட்டேஜ் ஆஃப் கூட்ஸ் சொல்லலாம், அண்ட் லைசன்சிங் ப்ரொசீடிங் சொல்லலாம், அண்ட் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் ஆஃப் தி இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் செக்டார், அண்ட் ஸ்மக்லிங் அண்ட் டேக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ். Question number 53. Bringing goods like precious metals like gold and silver, textiles and electronic goods by evading the authorities is known as. The correct answer is option B, smuggling. ஸ்மக்லிங் வந்து இதுதான் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி மேஜர் சோர்சஸ் ஆஃப் பிளாக் மணின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ ஸ்மக்லிங்கிறது எதை சொல்லுதுன்னா, பிரிங்கிங் கூட்ஸ், அதாவது ப்ரெஷியஸ் மெட்டல்ஸோ, கோல்டு, சில்வரு, இல்லைனா டெக்ஸ்டைல்ஸு, இல்லைனா எலக்ட்ரானிக் கூட்ஸ், இதெல்லாம் ப்ரெஷியஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இதில் வந்து தீஸ் ஆர் brought by evading the authorities. இதுதான் வந்து ஸ்மக்லிங்னு சொல்கிறோம். Question number 54. Which of the following statement is correct? Licensing proceeding is companies tries to buy commodities at low prices and get them billed at high amounts and pockets the difference personally. Shortage of goods, whether natural or artificial, is the root cause of black money. Controls are often introduced to check black money. The correct answer is option B, statement 2 alone is correct. Licensing proceeding வந்து it is firmly believed that the system of control வந்து it permits codes and licenses are associated with mal distribution of commodities in short supply. So இது வந்து it results in generation of black money. Question number 55. Which of the following statement is true? The correct answer is option A. When the tax rate is high, more black money is generated. Tax rate வந்து ஹையாக இருக்கும்போது black money generate ஆகிறதும் ஹையாக இருக்கும். Question number 56. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Tax evasion is an activity commonly associated with the formal economy. Tax evasion is the illegal evasion of taxes by individuals, corporations and trusts. One measure of the extent of tax evasion is the amount of unreported income, which is the difference between the amount of income that should be reported to the tax authorities and the actual amount reported. The correct answer is option A, statement 1 alone is the incorrect statement. Tax evasion என்னன்னா, இது ஒரு activity that is commonly associated with the informal economy ன்னு சொல்லலாம். So tax evasion வந்து it is an illegal evasion of taxes by individuals, corporations and trust. Question number 57. Which of the following is not tax evading? The correct answer is option B, deflating deductions or expenses. Tax evasions வந்து activities included under reporting income, inflation deductions or expenses, hiding money, hiding interest in offshore accounts. Question number 58. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Tax evasion resulting in black money prevents the resource mobilization efforts of the union government. Excess of funds distorts implementation of development plans and forces the government to resort to deficient financing in case public expenditure is inelastic. The correct answer is option B. Statement 2 alone is incorrect. Tax evasion results in black money. So, இதனால it prevents the resource mobilization efforts of union government. Shortage of fund it distorts implementation of development plans and forces the government to resort to deficient financing in case of public expenditure is inelastic. Question number 59. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Tax evasion and black money encourage the concentration of economic power in the hands of undeserving groups in the country, which in turn is threatening to the economy in its way. Evasion of tax consumes time and energy of tax administration to disentangle the intricate manipulations of the tax dodgers. The correct answer is option D, none of the statement above. So the tax evasion and black money it encourages the concentration of economic power in the hands of undeserving groups in the country ன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ இதனால் எக்கானமிக்கு இது ஒரு த்ரெட்டனாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் இதே போல் எவேஷன் ஆஃப் டேக்ஸ் இட் கன்சியூம்ஸ் டைம் அண்ட் எனர்ஜி ஆஃப் டேக்ஸ் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் டு டிஸ்என்டாங்கிள் த இன்ட்ரிகேட் மேனிப்புலேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் டேக்ஸ் டாட்ஜர்ஸ். Question number 60. Tax evasion penalties include imprisonment of how many years? The correct answer is option D, 5 years. ஒரு person willfully commits the act of tax evasion he may face felony charges. So tax evasion penalties it include imprisonment of up to 5 years and high amount fines collect பண்ணப்படுது. Question number 61. Which of the following is not the penalties for tax evasion? The correct answer is option C, rehabilitation. ஒரு person willfully commits the act of tax evasion he may face felony charges and the defendant he can also be ordered to pay for the cost of prosecution. And other tax evasion penalties it include community service, probation and restitution depending on the circumstance of the case. Question number 62. The income received from production and supply of goods and services of public enterprises and revenue from administrative activities is known as? The correct answer is option B, payment. Income received from production and supply of goods and services of public enterprises and revenue from administrative activities payment னு சொல்லுவோம். Payment from non-taxes sources other than tax incomes is known also called as payments. Question number 63. Which is generated due to higher tax on certain undesirable products like alcoholic products? The correct answer is option C, social welfare. Taxation it generates social welfare ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Social welfare it is generated due to higher taxes on certain undesirable products like alcoholic products. Question number 64. Which enables the government to mobilize a substantial amount of revenue? The correct answer is option D, taxation. Taxation ஒரு government to mobilize a substantial amount of revenue enable பண்ணுது. Tax revenue is generated by imposing direct taxes, அதாவது personal income tax, corporate tax and indirect taxes such as customs duty, excise duty and etc. Question number 65. Which of the following statement is correct? Taxation plays an important role in regional development. Tax incentives such as tax holidays for setting up industries in backward regions which induce business firms to set up industries in such regions. Taxation encourages imports and restricts exports. Generally, developing countries and even the developed countries do not impose taxes on import items. The correct answer is option A. Statement 1 alone is correct. Taxation வந்து it encourages exports ன்னு சொல்லலாம் and restrict imports. ஸோ ஜென்ரலாக ஒரு டெவலப்பிங் கண்ட்ரி அண்ட் ஈவன் த டெவலப்டு கண்ட்ரி வந்து they do not impose taxes on export items. Question number 66. Taxation can be used as an instrument for controlling. The correct answer is option A. Inflation. Taxation வந்து ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டாக இன்ஃப்ளேஷனை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ த்ரூ taxation, the government வந்து it can control the inflation by reducing the tax on commodities. Question number 67. Which of the following statement is correct? Taxation follows the principle of equity. The direct taxes are progressive in nature. Also, certain indirect taxes such as taxes on luxury goods is also progressive in nature. The correct answer is option C. Both these statements are correct. Taxations வந்து ஈக்விட்டி பிரின்சிபலை வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுதுன்னு சொல்லலாம். டைரக்ட் taxes வந்து இன் நேச்சர் இட் இஸ் ப்ரொக்ரெசிவ். ஆல்சோ சில இன்டைரக்ட் taxes அதாவது taxes on luxury goods வந்து இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ப்ரொக்ரெசிவ் இன் நேச்சர். Question number 68. Which of the following is not the role of taxation in developing economics? The correct answer is option C. Increase in equalities of income. டாக்ஸேஷனோட ரோல் வந்து இன் டெவலப்பிங் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் வந்து இஸ் கிவன் பிலோ. அதாவது ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ரிசோர்ஸை மொபிலைஸ் பண்ணணும் அண்ட் ரிடக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஈக்குவலிட்டிஸ் இன் இன்கம் அண்ட் சோஷியல் வெல்ஃபேர், ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச், ரீஜனல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் அண்ட் கண்ட்ரோலிங் ஆஃப் இன்ஃப்ளேஷன். Question number 69. Which of the following statement is correct? Tax is a compulsory payment. If tax is imposed on a person, he has to pay it, otherwise he has to be penalized. Fee is also a compulsory payment. Fee payer can get direct benefit for paying fee. The correct answer is option A. Statement 1 alone is correct. Feeங்கிறது வந்து it is a voluntary payment ன்னு சொல்லலாம். On the other hand, fee is not paid if the person do not want to get to the service. So fee payer can get direct benefit for paying fees. Question number 70. What is a tax paid by individuals and business based on earned and unearned income? The correct answer is option B. Income tax. Income tax வந்து it is paid by individuals and also businesses based on earned and unearned income. Question number 71. Under which tax one nation, one uniform tax is ensured? The correct answer is option A. Goods and service tax. Goods and services tax GST ஓட மோட்டோவே one nation, one market and one tax. So with this we'll complete the video of lesson 18 part 3. So for more online test materials and online test packages for Tnpsc preparation, visit the official website WinMean and download the WinMean e-learning app from the Play Store. Thank you.